Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2002 Ford Focus and I will show you which fuses to check in case your radio is not powering up or if there is no sound coming from the speakers. This video should apply to Ford Focuses made from 99 all the way up to 2007. Now there is one main fuse throughout the years, but there is a couple of smaller fuses which will change and their location will depend on the year of your Ford Focus. But I will show you all of the locations and fuses and then you can check all of those to be safe. Okay, so the first fuses will be located in a small fuse box in the passenger's cabin. Just here behind this cover. To access the fuses, just pull the cover towards yourself, and on the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram, and here you have access to all the fuses. Okay, so the main radio fuse, it's a fuse number 31, which is a 15 amp blue fuse located in the upper left corner. Okay, so this is the one. There is one more fuse to check in this fuse box, and the location of that fuse will depend on the year of your Ford Focus. So now if you own, I believe, 99, 2000, 2001 or 2002, you want to check the fuse number 50, which will be a 7.5 amp fuse located right here. Now if you own 2003, 4, 5 or 6, you want to check the fuse which will be just here at the location number 41. My space is blank here because this is a 2002, but this is where yours will be. And in the end, if you own a 2007, you want to check fuse number 57, and that's gonna be right here. The subwoofer fuse will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood, just here. Now to remove the cover, there is a black tab on the side. Just push it and pull the cover up. On the back side of the cover there is a small fuse diagram, and there is a fuse puller which you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. Okay, now my Focus is a 2001, so I don't have a subwoofer. They started installing those, I believe, in 2003 to 2007. So if you have 2003 to 2006, then you want to check the fuse which is supposed to be right here in the slot number 24. And if you have a 2007, then you want to check the fuse number at the slot number 11, which is supposed to be right here. So these are the fuses you want to check. Okay, once you've checked all the fuses, and if all of the fuses are good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper and possibly remove the radio, check all the wiring and electrical connections behind the radio to make sure there is nothing loose and there is no damaged wires. And if you're still having problems, next thing I would suggest, also always check the wires behind this rubber sleeve at the door jamb, especially if you're having problems with the speakers not working. And if nothing helps, then possibly you'll have to replace the radio unit itself. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.